Help wanted, one rooster. A farm, pastoral beauty, rolling fields, hardworking animals doing their jobs, an extremely cool and helpful sheep working harder than anyone. It's me. I'm the sheep. Ah, don't look there or there. Look there. That is a cow. She is impressive. She is kind. She has a clipboard. This is a professional cow. Let's watch as she steps into her brand new office to find us a rooster, a focused and undistracted rooster who will get this farm back on track. Are you here for the rooster job? Says the cow. Indeed, says the first candidate in his inexplicable 2x dough. First things first, says the cow. Can I hear your cock-a-doodle-doo? Do you really think that's important? Says the rooster. Of course, it's important, says the cow. Or I could ring this little bell. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. Isn't that nice? We are full up on bell ringers, says the cow. What we need is a rooster. Thanks anyway. It's all right. There are plenty of other rooster candidates. Okay, says the cow. So I guess I have to start with this. Do you cock a doodle doo? That's what I roosters do, isn't it? Says the next applicant. A chicken. Yes, but I don't want to say cock-a-doodle-doo, says the chicken. And the good news is I won't have to. I'll wake up the farm with the smell of perfectly brewed coffee. Coffee? Says the cow. Fresh, hot coffee, says the chicken. We need crowing, not coffee, says the cow. Although this is delicious, but it will never work for us. That's not enough coffee in the country to roast this bunch of sleepyheads. Nothing to worry about. Our cow is a professional. She is the best interviewer this farm has ever had. Also the only interviewer. Tell me, why are you interested in the rooster position? Says the cow. I can wake the farm, says the small brown bird, who I am pretty sure is not a rooster. Great. Will you cock-a-doodle-doo first thing in the morning? I want to press the button, says the bird. Oh, what button? Asks the cow. The big button, the one that wakes the whole farm, says the little bird, who has clearly never been on a farm before. I can start right now. Button, button, button. There is no big button, says the cow. The only thing that wakes the farm is a rooster at the crack of dawn. He's a determinder, little fellow. But the cow's right. There's no button. We need a rooster. We have a rooster, but his cock-a-doodle-doo list has become seriously unbalanced. The farm is falling apart, and it's all because of that rooster, says the cow. I know. I can appreciate a hobby. I have hobbies. Everyone on this farm has hobbies. So many hobbies. But is it safe for me to practice glass bellowing when I'm this sleepy? No. Oh, who am I kidding? I can't do this. We are doomed. Moo, says the cow. You have got this. Surely there are still loads of rooster who want the job. Oh, well, one more. Is it a bold and commanding rooster who can wake the farm at the crack of dawn with the loud resounding cock-a-doodle-doo? See for yourself. Blurba gloop, says the squishy blob. Oh, for the loves of tractor, says the cow. Can you cock-a-doodle-doo? Can you do it without bells or coffee or pushing my buttons? Yep, says the blob. Larka, blarka, blue. Well, I had no idea a cow could fold a clipboard in half. She seems agitated. All I need is one rooster who can wake the farm at 5 o'clock in the morning with a cock-a-doodle-doo. The cow sighed. Is it so much to ask? Wh- Rooster Doodle asks the blob. Because every farm needs a rooster who wakes up before the sun rises, not one who's organizing the rock music concert of the century. If the rooster doesn't wake up until 2 p.m., then it's chaos. I tell you, pure chaos, as you can see. Ah, there he goes. I liked that little guy. He smelled like cheese. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says our rooster finally. He's drinking instant coffee. I Jersey that rooster is tardy. He should press the button. Blood. Yes, blood indeed. Everything is a mess. The four rooster candidate follow our extremely unpunctual rooster back to his room. You there, shouts the first rooster. What's all this? Have you been staying up late? Asks the chicken. Pushing button all night long, asks the little button bird. Poof, scolded the blob. I know I'm supposed to wake up earlier, says the rooster, but the roostering part of being a rooster only takes a minute of my day. So I started trying new things in my spare time, and they kind of took over. It's true. And while we are now a highly successful concert venue, we are still a farm. Oh, look at that. The rooster candidates are huddled together, conferring. I hope they are not plotting a takeover. I'm too tired to resist. Ah, yes, a farm. green pasture, a barn, a stage, three birds and one space blob, walking with impressive determination to the rooster's room. On, off, on, off. The rooster wakes up the rooster. Glarka, glarka, blue! And the rooster wakes up the farm. Phew! That's a relief. I lost a whole day being business cow, says the cow. We can finally go back to being a normal farm again. Soon we'll be a normal farm soon. Help wanted, one sheep dog. What's a farm without its rooster?